What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics and Sylvia Gani collaboration. Here's what the inside of this palette looks like. It is absolutely stunning. Obviously I created this look on my eyes using this palette, so if you want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell, gain the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button. Let me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Alright, so I've already done my base blush and contour and brows, so we're going to roll with the Sylvia Gani palette collaboration with BH Cosmetics. Here's what the inside of this palette looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see the little flower motif in the background. So as you can see, I've already been using this palette. I got this during my holiday orders in December, so I've just been kind of playing around with this palette, just kind of messing with it to see what I like about it. So we're just gonna have a little bit of fun today, and so just to kind of show you how the palette works and see how it looks. So I'm going to go in with, clean that off on my color switch. I'm going to take my little BH brush. I'm going to go into the shade S Club right here and start my transition. Okay, so now I'm going to take my other trusty BH brush and I'm going to go into the shade, you know what? I'm going to go into the shade Hazel right here and deepen up my crease. I'm gonna go back in that first color and kind of blend out some of these edges. Okay, so now I'm going to, sorry, that shade that I went into to deepen up my crease was called Hazel. I do appreciate, like, they actually have the shade names on the colors. So yeah, that shade that I just used right there is called Hazel. I'm going to now go into, I'll go into Unapologetic right here. Oops, yeah, Unapologetic, that kind of charcoalish gray / black, and deepen up my crease a little bit more. Okay, go back in that shade Hazel and kind of blend out these edges, kind of not build out the edge, but put that green back in a little bit. Okay. Alright, now take that, take my e.l.f. brush, dip into both Hazel and Unapologetic, and go on the outer portion of my bottom lid. Alright, so I'm gonna go off camera, cut this crease, be right back. Alright, so I done primed my lids, and so now I'm going to go into the shade, I'm gonna go into the shade Queen right here, and start putting it in this area. Okay, so I've done that. Now I'm going to go into the shade, I'm going to the shade Goddess right here, and put this in the inner portion of my top lid. Alright, so now I'm going to take my trusty Morphe E36 brush, spray it. I'm going to go back into that Goddess color and take it under the inner portion of my bottom lid. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the shade Prince right here. Sorry, show that right there. That shade Prince. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to go off camera, finish all this up, be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look that I came up with using the BH Cosmetics and Sylvia Gani collaboration. Here's what the inside looks like. So overall, I really like this palette. I've used this palette a couple of times and like I really like them. The mattes are super duper soft. They're not so pigmented that you can't build it up. So that's what I like about this palette. Like the mattes are impactful, but not so impactful that you're not able to like blend away if you feel like you put on too much. So it's a good matte that builds up to the opacity that you want. So I mean, the mattes in here are nice. The shimmers in here are absolutely gorgeous. The only one that's a dud in my opinion, and I used it before, was this shade right here called Opal. This shade is a bit chunky. So like as you can, like I have, so these are the two shades. There you go. So these are the two shades that I used on my lid. Those are very smooth and silky. Over here you have Opal. Opal is a bit chunky. As you can see, like you can see the glitter particles kind of falling out of the color. So it's not the greatest shade and it takes a lot to build up. So like obviously every palette's going to have that one dud. In this one, Opal is that dud. So if you like this look, comment down below. If you are interested in getting this palette, you can always go on bhcosmetics.com to get this palette. Again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe before you exit. Hit that like button, letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. And until next time, guys, deuces.